If you're into DIY projects, outdoor adventures, or just love cool gear that makes life easier, then you're in for a treat. We've gathered a list of 7 amazing tools that offer both practicality and power. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. 2-in-1 Trimmer. This cordless garden tool by Prestormer offers both a shrub trimmer and grass shears in one lightweight, battery-powered package. The 20V electric motor powers a 1200 RPM rotating blade, with a cutting length of 200 mm for shrubs and 100 mm width for grass. It's perfect for small gardens, precision trimming, and areas where a full-size mower can't reach. Whether you're sculpting hedges or tidying up borders, this tool combines flexibility and efficiency. Number 6. Belt Sander Adapter. Turn your angle grinder into a professional-grade sanding tool with this M10/M14 belt sander attachment. Made from cast iron and aluminum alloy, this adapter fits seamlessly onto a work table, providing high stability with low noise. It's a smart solution for polishing, grinding, and shaping wood, metal, or stainless steel. Easy to attach and detach in just under a minute, it's ideal for both DIYers and pros looking to save space and increase functionality. Number 5. Flap Disc Set. Whether you're grinding down welds or prepping surfaces, these 115mm flap discs deliver serious value. Available in packs of 5 or 10, with grit options of 40, 60, 80, and 120, they're built with hard-wearing zirconium oxide for extended life. Perfect for stainless steel, mild steel, and even wood or plastic, these discs are essential for anyone using a 4.5-inch angle grinder. A great fit for home workshops, metalworkers, and general tradespeople. Number 4. Cordless Grinder. The Voci 20V brushless angle grinder brings power and portability together. With dual-speed control up to 10,000 RPM, it's designed for cutting, sanding, and grinding applications. The lithium-ion battery charges in just 2 hours, and the 125mm disc size makes it compatible with a wide range of accessories. Built for renovation teams and serious DIY use, this tool handles tasks from rebar cutting to surface polishing with ease. Number 3. Fishing Tackle Bag. Designed by Tsuranoya, the E1 multifunctional fishing bag is a must-have for anglers. It features a double-layer design for optimal storage, padded mesh for comfort, and a waterproof build for outdoor use. With convenient plier holders, D-rings, and a flexible shoulder strap, this 32 by 21 by 9 centimeters bag balances portability with storage space. Whether you're on a boat or hiking to a remote fishing spot, this bag keeps your gear organized and protected. Number 2. Underwater Camera. See what's really happening beneath the surface with the Lucky Underwater Inspection and Fishing Camera. It features a 4.3-inch color LCD display, a 20-meter cable, and 185-degree wide-angle night vision. Whether you're ice fishing or scouting deep waters, the 200 kHz sonar frequency and 120-degree sonar coverage help locate fish like a pro. With multi-language menus and a rechargeable battery, this compact device is both functional and easy to use. Number 1. Digital Fishing Scale. The RUNCL 50 kg digital scale is more than just a fish weighing tool. It includes a strong fish grip, a built-in ruler, and a clear LCD for precise measurements. It's compact, waterproof, and great for travel or outdoor use. The ergonomic design makes it easy to carry and use, while the durable build ensures it lasts trip after trip. A great catch for any serious angler or traveler needing a lightweight scale. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.